We are all sour cream on the inside. So, I was just looking through random recipe ideas again, and I found this one, which is spicy chicken taquitos with our favorite two spices, salt and pepper. Okay, just kidding. It's not actually just those. It's a little bit basic, but it is a good variety, so we should get some good flavor out of these. These are basically just a smaller version of the flautas. I'm gonna try to grill them in the pan, even though this one says to bake them in the oven, because the crispy edges are a lot better when you do it that way. Other than that, I'm deciding to try the carb balanced spinach wraps this time. Oops, no, my spider. Okay, that was close. But you can see we got some toppings. We got our guacamole salsa, the sour cream, whatever else you feel like putting on these. The total for all of this is $26.01. Because we can't forget how important the penny is. Okay, so we have to slow cook the chicken first. So let me get that started. Oh, before I forget, the recipe says 2 chicken breasts, which isn't really a good unit of measurement. So I'm using 2.5 pounds on this one, so it's a little bit more, so I kind of doubled the regular ingredients. But let's go ahead and start putting stuff in our slow cooker. This one's easy. We just slow cook the chicken for about 8 hours on low or 4 hours on high. So I'm gonna go ahead and just throw all the ingredients together, and then we should be ready to go. And that's pretty much it. Now we just cook it for 8 hours on low, or 4 on high, whatever you want. Now I will see you this evening once this is done. We are now 15 minutes away from serving, so I'm going to pull the chicken out, shred it, and then put it back in for the last 15 minutes. Also stirring everything so that it's mixed up evenly. I'm lazy, so I don't feel like showing me pulling the chicken out, so just imagine that I'm doing it. And our cooking is done. Now all we need to do is assemble them and then grill them in a pan. Let's see how we did. Ooh, spicy. So anyway, let's go ahead and get our thing started. And we will assemble our tortillas. So it turns out taquitos are a little hard to roll, so these ones are large, but that's okay. And we're done. There it is. Our fancy taquitos that ended up turning into flautas because I wrapped them too fat. So just pretend that they're wrapped tighter. And then maybe I'll be better at this next time I do it. But anyway, you can put all your toppings on and whatever else you have on the side. I've got my refried beans that I made homemade. You'll see that in the next video. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So thanks for watching, and feel free to change it up and let me know how it works out for you.